दर्यादेग वाठारांत सुरू आशिल्ल्या आवाज प्रदूषणाच्या विशयाचेर सडेतोड नायक कार्यावळीत गोमंतकाचे संपादक संचालक राजू नायक हांणी फर्दीन रिबेलो हांकां प्रस्न विचारलो। ह्या प्रस्नाक जाप दितना तांणी सांगलें, वेवसाय करपाचो तुमकां पुराय अधिकार आसा। तुमकां वेवसाय करपाक जाय म्हणून दुसऱ्यांचे अधिकार फाट्यार मारून तुमी वेवसाय करपाक शकनात। कायद्याचे मर्यादेत रावन तुमच्यान वेवसाय करूं येता अशेंय रिबेलो सांगतात। पळयात तांचें म्हणणें।
आनी दुसऱ्या अर्थान सावंड पोल्युशन, हायकोर्ट बोडयो मारिता सावंड पोल्युशनाचेर। तांकां सांगता आनी तुमी सावंड मॉनिटरींग सिस्टम बसयात, कोण बसयना। आनी ह्या सगळ्या आनी बिचाचेर शॅक्सांनी हें सावंड तें कितें ताणें बंद करून जर सावंड चलयल्लो ओके आशिल्लें, पूण टोटल अनार्की अशी दिसता।
No, I only hope, perhaps through this your medium,
Yes.
I would hope that our judges also try to take some drastic action.
Nice.
Drastic action like seeing to it that within the police jurisdiction, and there are areas where sound pollution is. I have personally felt it when I stayed for 2 nights in Seoul inside one of the Morjing.
Okay.
A whole night
Yes.
there was music. It was impossible to sleep. That
Exactly.
holiday which I thought I would have,
Exactly.
it was impossible. So if this continues, the officers down there should be suspended.
Exactly.
There should be no, there can be no.
Okay, High Court can suspend the officers.
There is no, in the exercise of his jurisdiction,
Yes.
if they are flaunting the orders of the High Court, why can't they do it?
Yes. सावंड पोल्युशनाचेर जावपाकूच जाय। फाटले म्हयनोभर जालो कोर्ट ऑर्डर दीत आसा and they are not followed.
So something you see, judges, we innovate. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
How law evolves
Yes.
is because of the creativity and innovation of the judges,
Yes. Nice.
assisted by the lawyers
Nice.
who help you.
Yes.
So I hope that our courts do take notice of this. Innovative, be creative.
Yes.
Because see, the elderly folk, the local people must have some peace of mind to sleep, at least sleep in the night.
Exactly.
And not because the tourists come in, hotel has to be open, is no answer.
Yes.
That those persons must suffer the effect of, because you want to run the business.
Okay.
Business, yes, you have the right to run the business. Nobody is against somebody run, but run it legally,
Okay.
run it within the norms.
Samke.
Don't disturb the rights of others.
Samke.
So balance.
Yes.
Carry on your business. Don't disturb the rights of the
Samke.
others.
Samke.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।